kind of taking a turn now.
Yeah, taking a little bit of a turn. We're going to see some much better conditions for the second half of the weekend. So the weekend is not going to be a complete washout. So that's the good news. So if you do have any outdoor plans, I would hold those plans until Sunday. Today, we're tracking more chances for showers and storms. Here's a live look overlooking downtown Norfolk this morning. We've got mostly cloudy skies. Now, the clouds will have the upper hand today. So the clouds will remain in place for the majority of the day. 74 degrees right now. Our winds still out of the south, but our winds will begin to shift around out of the north as we head into the latter part of the morning and into the afternoon. The dew point 73 degrees. It is warm. It is muggy out there. And speaking of winds, again, just about everyone's seeing winds now out of the south, except Richmond. Places like Tappahannock, you're now shifting out of the north. And so what that means for us is with the northerly wind, that's going to bring in some drier conditions. So again, the second half of the weekend actually looking really, really nice. Here's a look at satellite and radar. Here's what we're tracking. We've got this cold front. Along that front is an area of low pressure. As that area of low pressure pushes offshore, high pressure will build in behind this front, and that will bring some clearing as we head into Sunday. Right now on radar, still some big storms just south of Elizabeth City, moving over the sound. Still rain falling along the Outer Banks. The south side, you're mainly dry right now for the most part, but still some heavy rain moving over the bay, and that's moving eastward across the eastern shore. So as we go throughout the rest of the morning, most of us will stay dry unless you're, say, north of the south side or even along the Outer Banks. You'll still deal with some rain this morning. And then as we head into this afternoon, more showers and storms will start to fire up. Notice temperatures right around lunchtime in the mid to upper 70s. We're pretty much going to stay there as we push throughout your Saturday. And then notice what happens as we push through the evening hours. We'll start to see our rain become a little bit more widespread as another system tracks our way. And then overnight, the rain and storms will continue, and then we'll start to quiet down by Sunday morning. Now, Sunday morning, if you're farther to the north, say along the eastern shore, the northern neck, you'll likely start off with partly sunny to mostly sunny skies. Across the south side, northeastern North Carolina, you'll hold on to more clouds, and we're even tracking more showers for the morning. But by the afternoon, notice skies will become clearer, and also the rain will start to push farther to the south. Temperatures once again in the upper 70s for your Sunday. So the severe weather threat today, mainly south of the Sound. Not really expecting much in the way of severe weather, but we'll check that for you and keep an eye on it as we head into the afternoon. So for today, temperatures upper 70s, 78 in Smithfield with showers and storms again picking up as we head into the afternoon and evening. 78 Matthews, 77 in Gloucester, 79 in Cape Charles, and then northeastern North Carolina, you'll likely be right around 80 degrees, even some low 80s in spots along the Outer Banks from Kill Devil Hills to Manteo. All right, here's a look at the 7-day forecast for you. 79 on Sunday, 82 on Monday. It's going to be a gorgeous day on Monday. Low dew points, low temperatures, but that's going to change as we head into the middle part of the week and into Thursday and Friday. Temperatures back up into the mid to upper 80s.